went to my factory. Some refurbished treats, and customers just few minutes ago wanted something from me, and I go away, and so now I try to screw on the nut. I would like to say perfect. No free play. It's very well. One. Second. This second one is the right. I take a wrench. Left over to set those nuts in the mill and make a keyways like that. Right. And for that to mechanic can use wrench like that, you know. So work is done. Thanks for the watching, good luck, and have a nice day.